I've got a squirrel on a mission, trying to figure out what that tarp is. It's been biting at it. It's been biting at the clip. I have the tarp there from yesterday because we were supposed to get a storm, but we were under the balloon, I like to call it, safe. But this squirrel, checking it out, he was biting at the tarp. I'm wondering if he knows if his paws touch the tool that's covered, that his paws will get stuck in it. And he must know. They're smart. Squirrels are so doggone smart. But hopefully he won't be able to get in there. But he sure is checking it out. I had planted some provider bush beans, and 2 came out beautifully, and the rest, they came up with the bean split in half, and they stalled, like the bean on the stem was split in half. I kept waiting for the leaf to show, and I think one of them might show, but I think they're duds, the ones that aren't growing like the first ones. So I replanted, I don't know, 5 to 8 more beans in there, in case there's more duds. I'm very disappointed in that, but it happens. So, another, 2 weeks for them to sprout, but it's warmer now, so they may sprout quicker. So we'll see. And the reason I have the camera on is because 2 squirrels must have watched me put the seeds in the pan, in the container, potting container. It's early, I can't talk yet. And they've been around trying to figure out how to get to the plants. So they're on the landing, so that's why I'm filming. You'll see it, you've seen it before I'm talking. They're on the landing trying to figure it out, but they don't want to touch that tool with their paws, because their nails will get stuck in there. And I think it's their teeth bite as well. They're biting at the tarp and biting at the clamp over there, trying to remove the clamp in the tarp. They must see that as danger, I don't know. But I'm going to leave this run in case they do get in there, because if they get in there, I won't have any plants left. Yeah, I won't have any plants left. And possibly my gardening season is over, I don't know. But with the warmer temps, things tend to germinate quicker, so I might be able to replant the collard greens and the daikon, I don't know. Although they're growing quite quickly. My parsnips are up in the bean bed over there in the middle. And my leeks are up, I showed in a previous video. Yeah, so we'll see. I'll go back upstairs and just let this run and see what happens. It'll catch them if they tear it open. But so far they're just inspecting it carefully. Hopefully they won't. Hopefully this is deterrent enough. I don't want to put the wire up. I could loop the wire up over, but then it tends to get caught up in the tool and tears the tool. It's a big part of, it's not chicken wire, it's, what do they call it? Can't think what they call it. But it's not the chicken wire, it's the other one. Shade cloth. No, not shade cloth. Something cloth. Anyway, we'll see. I'll go upstairs, finish my banana. Okay, I hope I didn't mess up the previous recording. Squirrels are back. They're going underneath from the right. Now it's going across. And it's gone. Oh my goodness, they're determined. So I filmed for about an hour and 20 minutes, and that's about all the footage I could find. So far, so good. The plants are still intact, and I can only hope for the best. I have to rig something up for my squash, my zucchini, because I know once a zucchini starts growing, they're going to eat it. So I have some hardware cloth made into a tubular thing with broken fan faces on each end. Now I need to cut the hole bigger so I can just set it on top of my planter where I have my zucchini. You'll see it in a future video. Hugs from me to you. Bye.